Alright, good morning everyone. Today is Sunday morning and got my coffee, got my bagels, got my Drogos. We're headed to Connecticut. Here we go. Drogo, what you doing? What you doing? Made it to North Carolina. Visiting my buddy Joe. Early morning tomorrow. Gonna be taking off probably around 6, 7-ish. Got a long trip to Connecticut, so gotta get a good night's sleep tonight. It's 7:30 and we are gonna be hopping on the highway now to be headed home to Connecticut. We just filled up some gas. I got some coffee. Now I'm just trying to find the highway, and we're going. So we're North Carolina now. We're headed on the 77, and we're gonna shoot up through the Pennsylvania route. It's about a 12-hour drive. Shouldn't be too many tolls. We'll see.
You headed down there?
Pretty much, and then some that I got from Joe.
Okay.
All right, so I made it to Connecticut. I got Bobby and my pops back there working. They're cleaning out underneath already. Trying to rework this thing. Be up here for a week or two, and hopefully gonna finish this van. All right, let's get to work. Really up in there, ain't you? You just all up in there. Like, look at that ass stuff. Spilled my coffee, went underneath the floorboards. Go figure. So I gotta get the bolts out of the floor, get the floor up, dry the floor underneath, silicone it, and then put it back down, put the flooring down. But first, gotta do some cutting because the bolt's stripped, and I need to get the floor out. Oh yeah, that ain't happening. That ain't happening at all.
Smile.
Yummy. So we decided to put it in the floor. So that's what's gonna happen, is we're gonna do the flooring today because might as well. My parents had extra floor and they said I could use it. Gonna throw it in because why not, right? So as you can see, Bob's in there now doing the flooring. Thanks, Bob, you're the best.
Yeah, it's all good in the hood.
All right, while he's doing that, I'm gonna try and figure out some other stuff with the electrical. I also have my hella expensive switches, on switches, so I can have it be dual way. I can turn on the lights from my bedroom, and then I can turn off the lights from the kitchen, or I can turn on the lights from the kitchen and turn them off in the bedroom. So we'll see how it goes, see how it gets wired up. We'll see, I don't know.
But I would at least do that right there as a temp.
Yeah.
Because as you do this more, it's going to move. They can comment on YouTube channel. Look who put that amazing flooring.
Really, guy? Really? Who put that amazing floor in, he says? Who paid this guy? He should be hired.
I know, right?
Drogo's being such a good boy out here in the sun, sunbathing, huh? Who's a good puppy? Who's your good puppy? He's having fun here. Trying to meet some new friends, but it's just, it takes some time. Huh, Drogo? Hi, Drogo, hi, Drogo, hi, Drogo, hi. And bloody knuckles.
Good shit.
That's how those seams go in. That's how those seams go in. That's learning. That's how those seams go in. That's how those seams go in. Learning. Okay. Whew, it was hot last night. I had the heater on. This thing kicked some butt. I'm toasty this morning. However, as you can see, my dad helped me wire in the lights with a switch. Now I got two-way switches, one on that side, one on this side. So, we got my lights in, we got my flooring in. The floor looks great. My buddy Bobby hooked me up. It's a little messy, but look at that thing. Look at that floor though. Like, look at the here, I'll make it. Look at that floor though. It's just gorgeous. Good, like absolutely gorgeous. All the way up, all the way under the desk. Oh yeah, and I got a desk in, look. Put my desk in. I gotta modify it a little bit, but it's coming along. My computer's right there. My desk. I don't even know if this is gonna be a shower anymore or if this is gonna be storage. I couldn't even tell you, to be honest with you. And then I got my countertop over here staged in. Right here's gonna be a step with some laundry. As you can see, there's already some laundry there. So I'm gonna put that in a laundry chute. And I'm about to go get a stove today, I think, too. Put it in right there. Just doop. Nice little camp stove. It's raining out though, so it's kind of gross. And we'll make things happen though. We'll make things work. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.